Welcome back to Mr. Abden's classroom online. Please don't like, please don't subscribe. Ain't got time for that. Jumping straight in. It's x plus 3 quantity squared. What is this? Never seen that before. I've seen x plus 3, but what's the parentheses squared mean? Well, maybe it means, like distribution, you can just do x squared plus 3 squared. Just bring the squared down. That would be x squared plus 9. But no, you cannot do that. Don't ever do that. I'll tell you why. It's x plus 3 squared, which means times itself. That means it's x plus 3 times x plus 3. Aha, now we're talking. That means the first x plus 3 needs to be doubly distributed into the second x plus 3. They need to be mixed in with each other completely, multiplied in completely. So this second x quantity needs to be multiplied by the first. The second 3 also needs to get times that x. All signs are positive, okay. This first 3 needs to be multiplied by the x. And the 3's also need to hit each other and make a 9. So there is an x squared, there is a 9, but there's also this other stuff, 6x in between. Very nice. Okay, let's do another example. X minus 7 squared. That literally means x minus 7 times itself. So we get x times x, and it makes an x squared. X times a negative 7, that's a negative 7x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times negative 7, 49. Combining like terms in the middle, we get x squared minus 14x plus 49. And this can be modeled. Because it's a square, looking at a square actually is great for us. So what if the side of the square had some x amount of space, and then a little take away 7, which we could actually draw by biting back into the x, like because it's taking away from whatever x is, or we can just extend it past the x as a negative space. That would, or do this. Now it does look like it's chomping back into the x square. But since it's a square, the other side is also x and a minus 7. All right, now we can find the areas of this. If this is side times side, it'll tell us the area, which is multiplying, which is what we're doing. We're squaring, we're multiplying, we're finding the area of a square. All right, x squared. What's this guy? This length is identical to this length. So this length is x. And its top edge is negative 7. So this is negative 7x. And this length is x long, because it matches this side. X long, x long, x long down here too, but no one cares about that one. And negative 7 times x is negative 7x. And lastly, this my favorite square. Let me switch colors for my favorite square. Let's go with red. Negative 7 times negative 7 gives us this little baby square in the corner, which is negative times negative is positive 49. And then after you combine this with this, you get negative 14x. So x squared, negative 14x, and 49. There it is. Wonderful. All right. I'm going to leave it there. Nope, one more example. We got time. What if we had... Nope, we have 30 seconds. 2x plus 5 squared. 2x plus 5 plus... 12 seconds. Oh, who can learn? No one can learn anything from this. Don't forget to not like it and not subscribe it. No time for that.